Hi, I'm Serge, co-founder of DePlan. Our mission is to build the internet with no paywalls, no free trial tricks, and no advertisement. Internet where every user has access to any app or content for a reasonable price, and builders get deserved revenue from every user. Software as a service market is around $250 billion and will reach $900 billion by 2030. There is a content as a service market like streaming services and creator economy. All of them combined are close to $500 billion. What do they have in common? Right, the domination of subscription as a business model. Subscriptions became a part of everyone's life. But there are a lot of myths about sustainability and predictability of subscription as a business model. In reality, subscription as a business model brings a lot of problems to builders. For example, Mark Liu, who is the maker of the year on Product Hunt, claims that the conversion rate from free users to paid customers is around 3%, and you must pay to maintain the rest 97% of users. It's expensive and doesn't make sense from the business perspective. Even when the users finally subscribed, you have to care about churn. As you see, on average, you need 2 years to break even the product. Because on average, it takes 1 year to get users subscribed, and if they unsubscribe during the next year, you will lose money. That's the harsh reality. Eventually, we get this. 98% of users don't want to commit for subscriptions. Annual churn rate reaches 40%. As a result, businesses lose more than $1.5 trillion every year. But why is it happening? Because users are tired of subscriptions. And the Wall Street Journal article is the best demonstration of that. Because to read the article about how people are tired of subscription, you must subscribe to the Wall Street Journal. Why are the users tired? Because to read one article, retouch one photo, start workout, edit video, you have to create an account, confirm it on email or SMS, fill out the credit card details form, read the terms carefully. Because very often after a sweet free trial period, your card is unexpectedly charged for $60. Everyone has faced this situation. Also, subscriptions are not fair, because it doesn't matter whether you use a service intensively every day or just a few times a month, you will pay the same price. As a result, every month you get this endless list of charges for subscriptions. On average, it's more than $200 per month. Moreover, more than 50% of users don't even realize how much they really pay. And 42% have forgotten that they still pay for services they don't use anymore. All of that is extremely irritating. That's why the users are sick of subscriptions. And we need to find a solution that will solve the problems of both users and builders. And we propose charging users only for how much they actually use the product. Yes, it's that simple. It's like using a car. If you need to drive a car, you pay for gas and drive. If you don't use a car, you don't pay for gas. It's so simple. Instead of committing, users pay as they go based on products per hour price. And DePlan is a platform that allows customers to use their favorite products with metered pricing with no commitments. How do products appear on the platform? Developers add their products to DePlan with their existing dollars per month price. Crypto wallet for the product is automatically created on blockchain. No crypto knowledge required. Everything is happening behind the scenes. The product automatically appears on the platform for the dollar per hour price based on established price per month. And since then, it's available for the users on the internet. And based on how much time they use it, users' wallets will be automatically charged for an exact amount of money. And builders get this extra revenue that was just earned in real time. The uniqueness of the system is that users can forget about this chain of pain. Instead of all of that, when user launches product on DePlan, two wallets of user and product are interconnected via smart contract on blockchain, and product's wallet signals to user wallet that they get access to paid feature or paid content. At the same time, this link guarantees the builders will inevitably get money for every interaction with their products. Login with DePlan is happening automatically on chain. Users don't need to create an account for each subscription anymore. Crypto payments allow us to charge fraction of cents if user interact with the products minutes or even seconds. It's not possible to even imagine in a fiat payments world. Blockchain makes this system permissionless and decentralized by default, and smart contracts guarantee that all transactions are executed inevitably and automatically with no intermediary between user wallet and product wallet. To top up the wallet, users don't need to be a crypto geek. They just tap the deposit button and pay in a very familiar way. Let's switch to the builder side. On these two examples, I will show you how this model can impact the business of any product on the internet, productivity tool or personal use app. As you know, for the majority of products, the paid versus free users ratio is not in favor of the paid. Let's apply DePlan model to infrequent Notion users like me. I use Notion few times a week, in total around 10 hours a month. Notion Premium costs $10 per month, which is 5 cents per hour. That means users like me can bring additional 50 cents per month to Notion. But all of these 26 million users can bring millions. And that number is comparable to what Notion earns today from paid customers. Facetune. I'm infrequent user too. I use it a few times a month when I need to post a photo on Twitter. Based on Facetune per hour price and how much I use it, infrequent users like me can bring 5 cents each month to Facetune. Is that enough? If everyone paid just 5 cents, it could bring additional $8 million to Facetune. And that is comparable to how much app earns today from paid users. That's how cents can change the million game. This cents model can only work with crypto payments, because you just can't charge 5 cents with a credit card, because commission will be much higher than the amount itself. Let's recap. Customers can use products when they need them for a fair price. At the same time, builders have the opportunity to monetize users that don't pay because they don't want to commit. Users pay only when they actually use products without commitments and creating accounts. For builders, every interaction with their products is monetized by default in real time without any intermediaries. Thanks to our approach, users get access to more products, use them more often, bringing extra revenue to builders and making churn rate lower. What is our business model? It's just a $10 per month subscription. No, just kidding. No subscription anymore on the internet. We take 1% commission via smart contracts when builders withdraw earned money. It can be withdrawn as USDC, bank transfer, debit card, or even cash. The additional appeal is that it's established in the protocol that this 1% will only decrease proportionally to the growth of the platform. It's in our mutual interest to grow as fast as possible. We think it's time to start charging users differently. As you see, the internet is ready. Movement has already started. Everyone is talking about micropayments, outdated, non-fair existing subscription business model, and the upcoming new pay-as-you-go era. Software as a service, as we know, is dying. Something is in the air. And this is why we should inject metered model into the internet, because this example illustrates that if people are ready to pay but are not ready to commit, they are even ready to switch to another product. And we believe that metered blockchain-based pricing can bring value to users and builders and change the internet for the better. Welcome to DePlan, and let me show how it works. Here is the working demo of DePlan. On the right, we have the developer's account, and on the left, let's create a DePlan user account. The username and avatar, no crypto knowledge is required. You just need to save this secret code with which you can always log in to your account. Let's switch to the developer who wants to monetize free users with our time-based model. Let's add product to the platform, name, logo, link, and most importantly, indicate that it is an app and set up monthly subscription price as $10 per month, for example. The price automatically converts to dollars per hour. And while a wallet and the token for this product are being created on blockchain, we will top up the wallet under the user. A crypto wallet is automatically created for each account on DePlan. We top it up with $1 using familiar Apple Pay. Now the user has $1 in their account, so that we can start using the pay-as-you-go model. Meanwhile, the developer's product was created on blockchain. The product now has its own wallet. All you need to do is to insert a line of code with this wallet address into your product. You can also invite co-founders and other shareholders, send or sell your shares. Now let's refresh the user screen and make sure that the product added by the developer is now available on the platform. Let's launch the added product. As you can see, you don't need any login, thanks to the very connection of wallets between each other. And we can use premium content, premium features, etc. Close the product and the session. We can see in the bot that the wallets have just interacted this amount of time. The user's wallet BUWC, and the wallet 6ETC. Now let's check that the product's wallet is indeed 6ETC. The sum is proportional to time spent based on 5 cents per hour or $10 per month. Let's refresh the user screen and see that this money was automatically sent to the developer. And we can also see that the developer has just received that money. This is impossible to imagine in the world of credit card payments. The transaction is reflected in the wallet. I can withdraw the money I have just earned as USDC, bank transfer, or even cash. This is a simple way we are changing how the internet works, by helping builders monetize users who are not ready to commit and democratizing access to paid products for users.